Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how you can get animated profile photo on Discord without having Nitro. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see, my current profile picture is blank. So first of all, open a browser and type animated GIF profile picture and click on images, and from this list you can download any photos. For example, I want to download this GIF, so I'm going to save this image to my computer and then open a new tab and search animated PNG maker, and I'll open this first link. And now click on choose files and now select the downloaded GIF, upload, and here you can see my GIF has been uploaded. And now from here check this crossfade frame rates and check this option and toggle a range of frames. I'm going to select here from 1 to 29 and make sure you can select up to 30 frame, and then click on skip, and then here you can see my 30 frame have been selected. And now click on make a PNG, and here you can see it's created. Now right click above and click on save image as, make sure it's PNG, then click on save. And now I'm going to my Discord and user settings, edit user profile, change avatar, upload file, and now from here I'm going to select the PNG converted file, open. So here you can see my profile picture is animating now, and now click on apply. So this was how we can set animated profile picture on Discord without having Nitro. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.